also on our radar. Our hero, Sudarshan, joins in for what's taking place in the Mahindra Group because they've gone ahead and set out ambitious growth targets. So, not about hero, I'm calling you a hero, Sudarshan. Tell us about Mahindra.
So Mahindra Group is holding its biggest ever investor day today, and ahead of their investor day, they have disclosed to exchanges, basically they have given the presentation mentioning some of the ambitious target or say the outlook. Now as a group, over FY22-25, organic growth was 25%. Now over next 4 years, or say FY26 to 30, their target is in the range of 15 to 40%. Talking about the revenue outlook that they have given for 1 decade, that is from FY20 to FY30. For SUV and LCV, they are targeting 8 times growth, tractor 3 times growth, truck and bus, which was earlier known as SML Isuzu, 6 times growth, and for Mahindra last mile mobility, 6 times growth. Now coming to market share. For LCV, less than 3.5 tons in FY25, their market share was 51.7%. In FY26, they say increasing to 54.1%. For SUV, in FY25, market share was 22.7%, and that should increase to 26.4% in FY26. Now coming to the tractor industry, where they are bullish, and they have raised the growth outlook for till FY30. So earlier, growth target was 7% CAGR. Now they have increased industry outlook to 9% CAGR, and that would be led by the higher horsepower demand, basically in the range of 40 to 50 horsepower trucks. Lastly, they have mentioned few aspirations for all these segments. For SUV, they want to be world's fastest growing SUV brand. For LCV, they want to be number one brand across segments and applications. For tractor, they want to transform lives of farmers globally by democratizing technology. For truck and bus, they want to be amongst top 3 in India's ILCV trucks and buses. For EV, they want to be number 1 player. For M&M Fin, they want to be most trusted financial services provider for Bharat. So basically, it means that they want to focus on rural India, and they see 5 times AUM growth till FY30. For Tech Mahindra, they expect turnaround to be completed by FY27. Also, they are bullish on Mahindra Life, Mahindra Holiday. Right. So on Big Investor Day, it's a big outlook presented by Mahindra Group.
Big outlook presented by the Mahindra Group, Big Investor Day. And when we're speaking about all these big things, the Nifty's actually gone ahead and crossed its previous closing high also, previous all-time high of closing, which was 26,217. But Sudarshan, come back before we, wrap up on this show. You want to give us a little jig, a little dance?
Let Nifty close the all-time high. We'll do
Let us close, as in, will you be closing the Nifty personally, or how will it happen? All right, now just pulling your legs, Sudarshan, out there. That's the kind of mood that we are in right now. If you're a bull in the market, 26,224. That's all the time that we have on this edition of Midcap Radar. But stay tuned, Mutual Fund Corner, when we return.